Welcome to today's job and exam news. North Western Railway has invited application for the post of apprentice to fill up 1,791 vacancies. Eligible candidates can apply online through the official website of RRC Jaipur at rrcjaipur.in. The registration process has started on November 10, 2024 and will close on December 10, 2024. Get more details from official website https www.rrcjaipur.in. For more latest news, career, job, exam, question papers, notes and study materials, visit the website https studyforsure.com. Thank you.